Well, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about bills and expenses setup in QuickBooks Online. So this video, I'll focus on show items table on expense and purchase forms. So when you go to your setup under expenses, under bills expenses, you will see show items table and the purchase forms. What happens if you turn that on? So that's the focus of this video. So now I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online and discuss this. Okay, so I'm on QuickBooks Online and I'm going to go to gear icon on the upper right corner here. Click that one and then account and settings. And under expenses, you'll see bills expenses, show items table on expenses, expense and purchase forms. So, if you have, let's say plus or advanced, you'll see this. You can turn on the items table. But if you have, like a simple start or essentials, you will not see this. So this is basically to track your inventory and use items table uh, on your product and services. Okay, so let's just go to the expense forms, and I'll show you what we're talking here. So if you go to the expense forms, these are all expense forms. So just click expense, and in here, so you will see category and item details. Okay, so category details is basically it goes direct to your P&L. So if you click there, you go to the chart of accounts, uh, and expenses or the balance sheet items directly goes there. But if you go to the items detail, then you have to select all your items in here. And it could be inventory or it could be non-inventory too in some cases. So this basically that's what you're talking about. If you want to see this one, you have to turn that on, and you need the plus or higher version. Uh, okay. So same thing with uh, the purchase orders. So if you use purchase order, this one here, you need that. So if you when you create purchase order, this is where you use the inventory items. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to account and settings and okay, so this one is already on. So if I want to turn this off, it'll show you, it'll give you a message in here. See, turning off, they're talking about the show items table. It will also turn off your use purchase order, track quantity, inventory quantity on hand. So since I'm already using, inventory and purchase order for this, so if I try to click this, I'll get some error message, long one. See, something is not quite right. Okay, because I'm using location and all kinds of other stuff. So for this one, I can't turn that off. Okay, so that's what happens. So it's basically, if you're using inventory, you need this one on, and we already went through all that. You know, so now on next video, I will go through all these and uh, look for my other videos. Thank you. Bye.